job of taking care of the basketball, limit our turnovers. I think we lead the lead in turnovers.
What are your plans during the Olympic break?
You know, definitely want to rest and just come back with more energy and help the team get better, work on things that I need to. You know, if I have to go to the one or just keep shooting and getting my shot off quicker and stuff like that. But definitely I'm going to try to rest.
Thanks, Shane.
No worries.
Is there something the team needs to do to other than to get Pip back?
Yeah, they're going to get Pip back, you know. You don't want to put that pressure on her to try to save the team, but I think, like, each person individually needs to just look and see how they can help the team back and be better, you know, and collectively I think we need to really just limit our turnovers because those are just extra possessions we need to score, you know, to get a look at the basket, whether, even if it's a missed shot, you know, maybe our percentage won't go higher, but I think it'll be a great job for us, a great chance for us to get second opportunities, but we just really need to limit the turnovers because I think we're leading the league in turnovers.
At this point of the season, are you displeased with where your game is?
No, you know, I'm just glad to be back. You know, I had to take that hiatus with leaving with my national team, and I just wish, you know, like, on my return it would help the team get some victories. You know, we're in every game. I don't think since I've been back we've only been blown up by the double digits one time. You know, we're in every game. It's just getting over the hump. We're always going to overtime. It's a two-point game or a one-possession game, and we haven't got over that. You know, we got lucky in the beginning, but these games now, it's just, we're right there, and it's just very frustrating because we're in every game. You know, it can easily be a 10-4 or 10-4 season or whatever, 12-6. You know, it could be anything, but we're just sometimes, you know.
Thank you.